see foil wrap, but I don't see loose stuff.
Okay. Alright. This is Noel's birthday present from Australia. From Amanda, Phoenix, and Imra. What? We're preparing for sprinkles. Oh, that's a dog ear. What'd you get?
Let's lay it on the floor so Mommy can see what's here. Okay, come take it out.
Ooh. Oh, boy. You are spoiled.
Nope. Just bubble wrap. There are stars in the very bottom.
Yeah.
First you have to open up. This says, "Hi, little something from Mommy." Hi, little something from Mommy.
A little something for Mommy or from Mommy?
Oh, for Mommy.
Okay.
Can we open this?
Yes, you can open it.
Yeah, sprinkles.
We love you, Amanda. We really do.
You gonna stop?